Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Larry Kosa and you can also call me the Watch for Life. So today I'm going to teach you how to use Blackbox AI. So this is how it is. So this is the Blackbox application. So you can download it on your Play Store app, and if you that's when you are using Android, and if you are using iOS, that is iPhone, you can log on to blackbox.ai on your Safari or maybe on your Google Chrome. Okay, so this is it, black box. So new. So when you log on to the app or the website, this is how the interface look like. So this is it. So it says ask Blackbox AI anything. So this is the interface of it. So it says message, so you can type anything here. Maybe what is matter. Then you send by using this black sign here at the right corner. So this is it. So you see it gives you an insight of what matter is. Okay, so this is how it is. So you can come to web. You see down here you have web. Let's start again, new. So new at the top right corner. When you tap on it, when you choose web and you type maybe hello, it will search maybe music tracks or things that is related to hello that is popular for you. So you see right now I've chosen web, and let me send it. So you see this one, web is sending you to YouTube channel, other websites and stuff. So this is it. So you find a lot of things there. Okay. So let's say if you want to upload something. Okay, let's go to new again. On the top right corner. So let's say you want to solve a past question or something. So you see this the thing at the PRO, that's the pro at the right hand side. After pro, the next to it. Okay. It is called attachment. So you tap on it and you go to your media. If maybe you have a question, a past question, image that you have that maybe you want to solve it, you go there, then you go through maybe your gallery. Okay, let me say my files. Maybe let's go to Telegram. Okay, let me choose this. Done. You see the image has uploaded and it is here. IMG, this is it. In the message box, black box. Okay, so you hit enter. That is this side, the black enter button there. So it is asking you start with image, sorry, chat with image, and you have continue with image to app. But right now we are dealing with chat with image because we want it to give you an answer. So it says that start an interactive chat session about this image, ask questions, get descriptions, or analyze its content. And the next one is use this image as a starting point to build a fully functional application with our AI powered app builder. That is not what we want. The first one is what we want, that is chat with image. So chat with image, you choose chat with image. Okay, you see it starts saying, because the image has TTU on it, this instructions. So the questions in it is start solving it. First one is identifying matter. It is in the following list only. So this is it. Number two,